In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize blog subscription emails in HubSpot. So to do that, you first need to head over right here into your content and then click on blog. Now, once you're in there, you just need to see right here that we have in here our blog. So you can head over and then click onto the settings of your blog as well right here. In here, you can see your blog subscriber notification emails. So you can see right here and make sure this one is enabled. So you can add right here or create subscriber notification emails for instant notifications, daily, weekly. You can also choose right here the number of posts in RSS feed. So for this, you can click on create for the email link. And after that, this will open the content creator of HubSpot to create your actual email. So we can choose between templates that we have. So let's choose right here this one. Let's choose this. Now you can just edit it out however you want and from that review and publish. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.